Okay. Okay, I hope this is clear. The next important is actually, let's look at the 9th question. The consumer price index, which measures changes in the retail prices of goods and services consumed by households, is published by the Ministry of Finance. Okay, Ministry of Finance. CPI, I have told you, CPI was actually published by NSO, right? It's not published by Ministry of Finance. This is wrong. Wholesale price index, which tracks changes in the prices of goods at the wholesale level before they reach the retail, is published by the RBI. No, WPI is actually published by the Office of Economic Advisor under the Department of Promotion of Industry and Trade, Industry and Internal Trade under the Ministry of Commerce, right? So this is actually wrong. RBI do not publish it. Okay, then Index of Industrial Production, which measures the growth and performance of various sectors of the economy such as manufacturing, mining, electricity, is published by CSO, right? So Index of Industrial Production, earlier it used to be CSO, now it is NSO, but anyway this statement is correct because CSO is now within the NSO, which we discussed earlier, right? So this is actually correct, right? So we will reach only one, option A. Okay, I hope this is clear. Here you can see who publishes WPI. Please remember who publishes it, what are the components. Okay, weightage is important. Please remember the base years. Okay, okay, these are some of the things you have to remember.